In this video, I will show you how much MJ Sailing makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. She created her channel since December 6, 2009. She has 174,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 356 videos. And now let's go over MJ Sailing channel analytics. This is statistics views for MJ Sailing channel. Daily views, 6,027 views. Weekly views, 42,100 views. Monthly views, 180,800 views. Total views, 51,575,000 views. Next, videos performance on MJ Sailing channel. This is the latest videos for MJ Sailing channel. This video has gotten 23,000 views and 33,000 views. The estimated income MJ Sailing with the latest videos, $92 and $132 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for MJ Sailing channel. This video has gotten 27 million views since published on YouTube. The estimated income MJ Sailing with the most popular video, $108,000 since published on YouTube. Now, how much MJ Sailing makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for MJ Sailing channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $723. Estimated yearly earnings, $8,700. And the estimated all-time revenue MJ Sailing channel, $206,300.